Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Microtel Inn Bowling Green. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are non-smoking rooms, family rooms, free Wi-Fi and a free parking. Featuring a daily continental breakfast and free Wi-Fi access, this Bowling Green hotel is located just off Interstate 65 and Interstate 66. Western Kentucky University is 5 miles away. Cable TV and a work desk are included in every room at the Microtel Inn Bowling Green. The rooms have a coffee maker and a private bathroom with a hairdryer. Visitors can use the fax and copy services at the Bowling Green Microtel Inn. The property has an elevator and offers daily newspapers in the lobby. The Paul Walker Golf Course is 10 minutes drive from the hotel. Beech Bend Raceway Park is 8 miles away. Downtown Nashville is an hour's drive away from Bowling Green. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.